Kim immediately came back with or on second or third brothel, and the internet collectively did the Michelle Beadle. Man, I'm not one to judge most people's lifestyle. Really not. I try and stay out of that business. It's not my own. But man, once it goes down the way it went down, moral high ground probably doesn't need to be the place that you live, right? Like we all should do better on reserving judgment on certain things and certain people, let them live their lives and all these things. But as an innocent bystander in all this, once you've been through the ringer the way Lamar has, maybe the high horse is something that you get off for a while and just leave in the state. Maybe that's where we live from now on.
Anything, bud?
Philly fans certainly uniquely
nothing yet.
Familiar with that idea too, being put in there. One note to go out on here. The city of Philadelphia put out a notice that came from their police department, basically telling business owners that they can't guarantee their safety if the Eagles win the NFC Championship. That's if they win. That's how you know a city is really about their sports team, because they're wearing dog masks and they're breaking everything in sight, and that's when stuff is going good. So enjoy your conference championship weekend. Maybe be a little safer than that. We have to publicly endorse it that way here on First and Last. Coming up next, we will get you guys updated on America. How confident in the Jags? We'll ask AJ Bouye. Check in on that hand. All that and more coming up next. First and Last on ESPN Radio. When Carson Wentz went down, everyone counted Nick Foles and the Eagles out. But will their best weapon Sunday be their underdog label? We'll get to Conference Championship Sunday, Friday on Golden Wingo, 6 Eastern, ESPN Radio, ESPN 2. Run the Fuel Rewards program at Shell and get instant gold status. You'll save on every show, every day. But you'll feel like you were unanimously voted MVP, not of the league, of the earth. With gold status, you'll save 5 cents with every gallon. But you'll feel like you've just been handed a championship trophy made from every other championship trophy. That's what it feels like to have gold status with the Fuel Rewards program. Download the Fuel Rewards app, join, and start saving today. Restrictions apply. Active gold status required. Introductory offer valid for 6 months after activation. Limit 20 gallons. At participating Shell stations. See fuelrewards.com/gold for full details. When you're hiring, you want qualified candidates fast, and it can be hard to know where to find them. More than 3 million businesses use Indeed.com, the world's #1 job site. Whether you need entry-level or highly skilled employees, Indeed helps you find great talent and make the right hire. Indeed is offering new users a $50 credit to give their first job post premium visibility as a sponsored job. Redeem this offer at Indeed.com/promo. That's Indeed.com/promo. Terms, conditions, and quality standards apply.
Hey Philly, to prove Tony Roni's has the best tomato pie, we came down to the heart of South Philly, the Italian market, to try it out with some of the city's toughest food critics.
Oh man, this is good.
Oh, this is amazing. What you got here? Tomato pie? Where's this from?
Tony Roni's tomato pie is made with the same recipe my grandmother brought over from Abruzzi, Italy. Today my store is making the same way. Fresh tomatoes, a whole lot of fresh basil, and a bunch of stuff I really can't even talk about.
Oh man, it's freaking awesome.
The crust is crispy. This has got to be from South Philly, right?
Go to TonyRoni's.com to find a Tony Roni's near you.
Hello sports fans, Ron Jaworski here to talk about my friends at KDI Office Technology. When it comes to office equipment, my businesses need the best. That's why we use KDI Office Technology. From solutions to service, KDI is second to none. They're local, dependable. We've been servicing the Philadelphia area for over 28 years. KDI is the experienced and responsive team my business counter. KDI.
Look what time it is. It's in the morning.
And sold 97.5 The Fanatic. Fanatic speaks of volumes. Our office equipment needs to handle demanding print volume with no downtime. KDI Office Technology keeps us running at peak performance. I'm confident they'll keep your business operating 24/7 as well. Contact KDI Office Technology today for a free technology assessment. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Just visit www.kdi-inc.com. Picture, of course, that's KDI-inc.com.
Okay,
There's a place in Pennsylvania where the aroma